honest. I know I drink best. I know. Yeah.
Hello. Have you seen your face?
So guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Explore with Men. So I'm still here with my baby girl, Oma and History. So we want to do a challenge. We do a personal makeup on our face without mirror. I can imagine. Let's get right into the video.
Hey. Give me.
I cannot even bring this thing without mirror.
Just do it.
Hey!
Maybe it's my finger.
You see me again?
Let me give details because
You're
if you
not
are
supposed to be
fast,
asking her, is it okay? You're not supposed to be asking.
you look in the mirror.
But if you bash me, let me bash my own self now. Oh my, I'm looking fine.
Her details is very okay.
Oh God, I know. So am I fine?
No, you need to see your details.
It's because of my foundation. My foundation is
Maybe
very
come-
How can I do eyebrow with that?
I'm not following my sister. She didn't look me wrong.
Cheated. Because she's
there. Powder. Hey, it's because that.
What's the way you sabi? You are doing well. Continue. No mind to me.
Hey.
Fine.
Say, oh my, is doing well.
And they are not they hype me.
No, seriously, you are doing well.
Why is your because you don't say on the mock me.
No, you're not mocking me. It's fine. So please allow me to do my rubbish.
No, details is very, very important.
It's not important. The main thing is it fine? If you're able to finish up.
Details as short.
My sister in the Lord, don't mind her. All will be fine. She's even laughing at me. So please allow my makeup to breathe. I like making my face. You're not supposed to be helping her. I'm feeling myself already.
You still have plenty of time. Just calm
Serious?
down. We are still at 5 minutes.
Serious?
Yes.
Now you allow me to do this rubbish.
Stop.
Yeah, this is another time.
Let me come for details.
Please don't come. Please. Back.
How good. This makeup I'm doing.
It's very fine.
It's
Shut
very
up,
fine.
oh.
Sure.
Don't fool me.
No.
It's not allowed.
Why you feel?
I do not.
Liar. The
Everything so fine.
Did you?
But Amma has only
Did
checked
you
it.
do? No polish.
Let me talk about that. Did you bake your eyeshadow?
see someone that is insulting another person. Hi. You need to see your face.
Don't mind it.
It's coming out her hair. Pardon. Whatever.
200. Hope it's coming out nice.
How can you not conceal?
So far, I'm not gonna do this.
She's not saying anything.
Oh my god, touch of eyebrow. And now I'm fine already.
Mind her.
No, it's true, man. Spoilers. This lip gloss, all about.
This is not fair because Chinaya has been people at me.
You don't mind her. Even at that, you're still prettier than her.
I don't pursue customers. So, let's.
Oh god. Okay, can I see myself now? Where is it?
Hey!
Not that very good.
Oh my god, so cute.
Shoo,
So
shoo, shoo.
fine. Oh,
You look fine too.
Tom and Jerry.
I give us mirror. Let's see ourselves now.
I think there's a shape of eyebrow.
The touch of eyebrow. Oh, your cheek is glittery too much.
See who is talking. You need to see your own.
Where is us? Jesus, my blush is blushing.
Your eyeshadow. Eyebrow.
At least I tried my eyebrow. There is a
There's
shot
no
of that
eyebrow.
brown there.
So guys, we've come to the end of this challenge. Please rate our work. Please be honest. I know I did better. I know. Yeah. Hello. Have you seen your face?
I'm answer the same question. Answer the same question because she needs to see her face too.
Hey, go ahead.
So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you like it, like this video, share to your friends and loved ones, and please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.
Okay, so wait for it.